Welcome to my channel. I'm Grace Tech. Welcome to day 3 of 7 days to HTML confidence. In the last lesson, we explored how to structure text with headings and paragraphs. Today, we will take it a step further by learning how to organize information using lists and tables. Lists help you present items clearly, while tables allow you to display structured data. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to create menus, schedules, product lists, and more. Let's take a quick look at the types of lists available in HTML. There are 3 main types. 1. Unordered lists. These use bullets. 2. Ordered lists. These use numbers or letters. 3. Description lists. These are used for terms and their definitions. Each of these lists serves a different purpose, and by the end of today's lesson, you'll be confident in using all of them. Let's start with unordered list. An unordered list is created with the UL tag, and each item inside is wrapped with an LI tag, which stands for list item. By default, browsers display unordered list item with simple bullet points. Here's a simple example. This produces a bulleted list with 3 items: lemon, orange, and lime. Unordered lists are great when the order doesn't matter, like showing menu options, features of a product, or a to-do list. You can also nest lists, meaning you can place another UL tag inside a list item to create sub-lists, which is useful for hierarchical data like categories and subcategories. Now let's move on to ordered lists. Ordered lists are created with the OL tag, and each item is also wrapped in an LI tag. Unlike unordered lists, ordered lists number the items automatically. Here's an example. This displays items as 1, 2, 3. Ordered lists are useful for instructions, ranking, or anything where sequence matters. You can also customize ordered lists using attributes. The type attributes can change numbering to Roman numerals, letters, or numbers. The start attribute lets you begin numbering from a different number. The third type is a description list. A description list is created with the DL tag. Inside, each term goes inside a DT tag, and each definition goes inside a DD tag. Here's an example. This produces a list where the term appears followed by its description. Description lists are especially useful for glossaries, FAQs, or technical documentation where you need to explain terms clearly. Now, let's look at tables in HTML. Tables are used to display information in rows and columns. The table tag defines the table. Inside it, rows are created with the TL tag. Each row contains cells, which can be either the TH tag for a header cell or a TD tag for a data cell. Here's an example. This produces a simple table with a header row and rows of data. Tables are powerful for displaying structured information like schedules, reports, or data sets. One important note: don't use tables for layout. In the early days of the web, developers misused tables to arrange page design, but modern HTML and CSS gives us better tools for layout. Tables should be used only for tabular data. That wraps up day 3. Today, you learned about the 3 types of lists: unordered, ordered, and description lists, as well as how to create tables for structured data. In day 4, we will explore how to add links and images to your web pages, making them interactive and visually engaging. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next lesson. Bye!